students and viewers. We are going to share the important concept related to junior intermediate, the law of equimarginal utility. The law of equimarginal utility is explained by H.S. Gaussen in 1854. It is called Gaussen's second law of consumption. This law explains the consumer's equilibrium position. This law is also called equimarginal principle, theory of maximum satisfaction, theory of substitution. Later, this theory was developed by systematically Alfred Marshall. Definition: if a person has a thing which can be put to several uses, he will distribute it among these uses in such a way that it has the same marginal utility at all. So he is expecting same marginal utility from all the commodities. The consumer will be in equilibrium position when he gets maximum satisfaction. The consumer gets maximum satisfaction when the marginal utilities become equal. So the consumer allocates his limited income on various commodities where the marginal utilities of those goods become equal. So what is the principle of consumer's equilibrium? MUX by PX, MUY by PY, MUZ by PZ is equal to MUM. MUX, MUY, MUZ, marginal utilities of commodities X, Y, Z. PX, PY, PZ are the prices of X, Y, Z. MUM means what? Marginal utility of money. So in this table, the consumer is spending money on X and Y. He is expecting some different terms of utility. So whenever the utility quantity increases, utility decreases. Suppose the consumer is prepared to spend rupees 20 on two goods X and Y. Let their market prices, X commodity price is 3 rupees, Y commodity price is 4 rupees. So we have to reconstruct this table, dividing the marginal utilities by its prices. So the consumer in this table, the consumer's marginal utility of money is constant at 8 units. In the table, it is clear that MUX PX is equal to 8 units when he buys 4 units of the good X, and MUY by PY is equal to 8 utils when he buys 2 units of good Y. So the consumer is in equilibrium position. He will be spending 4 into 3, 12 rupees, plus 2 into 4, 8. Total 12 plus 8 is equal to 20 on both of them. So on the basis of a table, we can construct a diagram, graphical explanation. So on the basis of a table, in the diagram, the money units are taken on the x-axis and marginal utilities of X and Y are taken on the y-axis. Marginal utility line of money EM parallel to the x-axis. For a given income 20, marginal utility of money is constant at OE. It's called 8 utils. The consumer will be in equilibrium position when he purchases OG of X and OF of Y. OG of X and OF of Y, the consumer attains equilibrium position at 8 utils. So this theory depends upon some assumptions. Consumer is rational. This theory depends upon the cardinal utility analysis. Money marginal utility is constant. Utilities of good are independent. Prices of the goods should be constant. Consumer's income should be limited and he should be prepared to spend his entire income on different goods. So these are the important points briefly in the equimarginal utility. Thank you.